Hello guys, so how are you? So I am just recording today's one video, and in which I'm going to tell you some systems how that MLOPS is working. And as like others ops, MLOps where you are create models, where you build model, where you will monitor the model and at the last deploy model. And also there is a methods, it's like a retraining. So if you see that image, in the image you will going to get to know that what's happening and all those things. So on the left side, on the above corner, you will see that experiment tracking system. Means here we are doing future retrieval, then future validation, then model training, then model validation, then model handover and all those things. And at the last, once all those happening, we are keeping those model into the model registry. So it's a fifth number stage. Actually you are going to see the numbers like 1 2 3 4 5. So in the model registry, through that you will going to pass that model to the model, its deployment in the production or development, from staging environment to production. And there are some Docker images. Means whenever you will push your code into the main branch or dev branch, automatically that build system will happen, like developing, staging and all those, and it will create a new Docker image and it will build all those things, and at the last it will deploy. So while taking data from user, you have need to do like transformation or something, whatever methods you are pre-processing and how you are passing those data to the model in batch size or something else. Okay, then you have also need to manage that microservices for to handle the traffic, load balance and all those. You also need to pass the streaming of data, and through the front end team and other teams you will pass all those to the production app on the UI. So in this way actually end-to-end projects happens, where you will gather data, you will do feature selection and all those, you will store features. If you have done GCP, Google Cloud Platform Certificate, or any Azure or any other cloud platform, that time definitely will see that model registry and all those things there. So how do you feel about that video? And if I'm missing any part, please try to ask me in the comment. So I'm just cutting this. Thank you.